Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. In our last class, we discussed the first chapter, numbers up to 20. In that, we discussed the first exercise. We have learnt about the numbers 101 to 200 and the number names and how to write the before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. Today, we will discuss the second exercise. Okay, children, are you ready? Shall we start the second exercise? In this second exercise, we are going to learn about the place values as well as the expanded form. Okay, children. Now, second exercise. In second exercise, bit A is write the place value of each digit. You have to write the place value of each digit. Here, see, the first question is done for us. Look here, children, look at the screen. Here the first number is 137. Now 7 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place and 1 is in hundred place. So the value of the digit is 7, 30, 100. Okay, as 1 is in, see, look here, 7 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So the value of 1 is 100, 3 is 30 and 7 is 7. Okay, children. Now first we'll write the place values of the numbers. See, the second question is 114. Here 4 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place and this first one is in hundreds place. So the value of 4 is as it is in ones place. There is no change in the place value, no change in the value. So the write 4 in the box. Next, 1 is in tens place, so the value of 1 is 10. Next, 1 is in hundreds place, so the value of 1 is 100. Okay, children. Now next, third question. Here, first we'll write the place values. 172. Here 2 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So what is the value, children, now? As 2 is in ones place, there is no change. Write 2 in the box. Next, 7 is in tens place. So 7 tens place means how much it is? 70. Next, 1 is in hundreds place, so the value of 1 is 100. Okay, children. So the number, we'll read it as 172. Next, fourth question. 190. That is 190. Now we'll write the place value. 1 is in tens place, in hundred place. So the value will be remain same, 0. 9 is in tens place, so the value is 90. And 1 is in hundreds place, so the value of 1 is 100. Okay, children? And we will read it as 190. Next, fifth question, 105. 105. Now 5 is in ones place, 0 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the value of 5 will remain same as it is in ones place. So write 5 in the box. And in tens place, what is there, children? 0. So the value of 0 remains same, 0. And 1 is in hundreds place, so the value of 1 is 100. And we will read this number as 105. Okay, children. Now last sixth one. Here 155. Number is 155. Here 5 is in ones place. Next 5 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So the value of 5 will remain same as it is in ones place. Write 5 in the box. Next 5 is in tens place. So the value of 5 is 50. And here the 1 is in hundreds place. So the value of 1 is 100. And we will read this number as 155. 155. Okay. Now next bit, children. Bit B. Write the place value of the colored digit. You have to write the place value of the colored digit. Okay, children. Here the number is colored. In first one, 5 is colored. Okay. Here the number is 52. What is the place value of 5, children, here? See, 5 is in which place? It is in tens place. So the place value of 5 is in the number is 52. 2 is in ones place, so the value of 2 will remain same as 2. Now 5 is in tens place, so the value of 5 is 50. Write 50 in the blank. Next one, here 108. Here 108. 0 is colored. 8 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. The value of 0 is in tens place. So anything into 0 is 0. Value of 0 will remain same. It's 0. Now third one, number is 116. Here 1 is uncolored. Now here 6 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place and this one is in hundreds place. Now you have to write the value of 1 which is in hundreds place. What happens when what is the value of 1 in hundreds? What you have to write? The value of 1 which is in 100 is 100. Okay, children. Now next fourth one, number is 64. Here 4 is colored. 4 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. The value of 4 will remain same as 4 and the value of 6 will be 60 as it is in tens place. Next fifth one, 143. Here 3 is in ones place, so the value of 3 will remain same as 3 and 4 is in tens place, so the value of 4 will become 40. Now the question is, here 1 is colored. What is the value of 1? Now 1 is in hundreds place, so the value of 1 will be 100. Next question, the last one, 170. Here 0 is colored. Now first we will find out the place values of all the digits in this number. Here 0 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. The value of 0 will remain 0 which is in ones place. Next, the value of 7 will be 70 as 7 is in tens place. Next, the value of 1 will be 100 as this 1 is in hundreds place value. Okay, children. Now the answer is 0. Next bit. Here bit C, write the number. Here the place values are given here. You have to write the number. Okay, children, the first one is done for us. Here 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So the number is 175. Okay. Now second one. Here 9 is in which place? What is the place value of 9 here? Here 9 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place and 80 is in tens place and 100 is in hundreds place. So arrange these digits here. 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the number is 189. Okay children. Now next third one. Now here 2 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place, 0 in tens place, 100 in hundreds place. So the number is, write 2 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. The number is 102. Okay children. Now next fourth one. Here 0 in ones place, 30 in tens place, 100 in hundreds place. So the number is, write 0 in ones place, 3 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. The number is 130. Next fifth one. Here 6 is in ones place, 40 is in tens place, 100 is in hundreds place, 100 in hundreds place. And we'll arrange the number here according to the place value. 6 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. So the number is 146. Next sixth one. Here 0 in ones place, 20 in tens place and 100 in hundreds place. Now write the number children. 0 in ones place, 2 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the number is 120. Okay children. Now next bit D, write the number. Here in expanded form it is given, you have to write the number in the blank. The first one is done for us. Look at the screen children. First one, 100 plus 1, that is 101. Now second one, 100 plus 20 plus 5. Now here we'll write the place value of these digits. Now 5 is in ones place and 20 is in tens place and 100 is in hundreds place. Now as it is, we'll arrange the digit children. 5 in tens place, 5 in ones place, 2 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the number is 125. Okay. Next see here, 80 is in tens place, 100 is in hundreds place. So nothing is there in ones place, so you have to write 0. Now see here, when in ones place no number is there, you should write 0. Now 8 is there in tens place, so write down 80 and 1 is there in hundreds place. So the answer is 180. Now look here, 0 is in ones place, 60 is in tens place, 100 is in hundreds place. Now write 9 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. So the answer is 169. Okay children. Now see fifth question. In hundreds place 1 is there and ones place 6 is there. So in tens place what is there? Nothing is there. When nothing is there, what we will do? We will write 0 in tens place, 6 in ones place and 1 in hundreds place. So here the answer is write 6 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the answer is 106. Sixth question. See here 9 ones, 2 tens, 100. How it is expanded, children? Here 100 plus 2 tens plus 9 ones. That is, in hundreds place 1 is there and in tens place 2 is there and in ones place 9 is there. So the number will be 9 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. So the answer is 129. Is it clear, children? Seventh one. Similar to the sixth question. 100 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. Now 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. If we arrange, which number do we get? Now 2 in ones place, 9 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. So the answer is 192. What is the answer, children? 192. Now next question. Bit E. Complete the table, write the numbers in their expanded form. You should complete this table and write the number in the expanded form here in the blank. See the first one. First number is 147. Here 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. And the expanded form of 147 is 100 plus 40 plus 7. Okay, as 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, so the value is 40 and 1 in hundreds place means the value will be 100. Okay, children, now second one will do. See, second question is 135. 135 will come from last to first. Here the last digit is 5. 5 is in ones place. Now here 5 is in ones place. In hundreds place 1 is there, so the value is 100. Plus in tens place 3 is there, so the value is 30, and in ones place 5 is there, so the value will remain same as 5. The expanded form of 135 is 100 plus 30 plus 5. Okay, children. Now third one. Here the number is 112. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place and this first one is in hundreds place. Now we'll erase the number in here in the place value chart. 2 in ones place, 1 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. The expanded form of 112 is, as 1 is in hundreds place, so the value will be 100. Plus next 1 is in tens place, so the value is 110, that is 10. And 2 is in ones place, so the value will be 2. The expanded form of 112 is 100 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. Now fourth question. 168. Here 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So write the places, write the numbers in the table. 8 in ones place, 6 is in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the expanded form of 168 is, as 1 is there in the hundreds place, the value of 1 will be 100 plus 6 in tens place, so the value is 60, plus 8 is in ones place, so the value will be 8. So the expanded form of 168 is 100 plus 60 plus 8. Fifth question. 190. Here 0 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So the value will of 0 remain same, and 9 in tens place, so the value will be 90, and 1 in hundreds place, so the value will be 100. The expanded form of 190 is 100 plus 90 plus 0. Okay children. Now the last one, 103. Now here 3 is in ones place, 0 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place. Now write 3 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now as 1 is in hundreds place, the value is 100 plus 0 in tens place, so the value is 0 here in tens, and 3 is in ones place, so the value will be 3. The expanded form of 103 is 100 plus 0 plus 3. Okay children? Okay. So in today's session we discuss the second exercise of the first unit. In this exercise we have learned about the place value as well as the expanded form. And today your homework is learn and write exercise 2 in your textbook. Okay children, learn and write exercise, write all the bits of second exercise in your textbook and learn them. Okay ma? Okay. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye children.